Hi girls and guys, I would like to talk to you regarding what is different between condo, single family house with association and single family house without association. It's totally different type of real estate. So let's start from condo. Condo it's commercial zoned. So basically this is to make a money and to rent it daily, weekly, monthly, but it has a limitation up to 6 months. So you or your guest cannot live more than 6 months. This is kind of commercial zoning says, and this is kind of rules which was built for condo hotels. You can make daily rental, you can make weekly rental, you can make 3-month rental, but it's limited up to 6 months. Most of the time condo hotel has day management company, which is most of the time sitting on the premises. But guys, if you want to make money, you have to find condo hotel which doesn't have a restricted management company and you can rent yourself. Most of condo hotels has a little more expensive maintenance. So let's say if a regular condo 1,000, 1,200, so those condos has 1,400, 1,500. It's all included, but you pay more in the maintenance. So this is your business decision, but you can make short-term rental without any questions. But again, make sure it's allowed to owners to make it. Some condo not. This is why sometimes you see prices really cheap, and this is only question why, because sometimes people not making money. Most of those condos built, you can have vacation for yourself. You put $400,000, $500,000, $600,000 in a condo. You're not making like 2-3% net. Okay, if you don't use it. So let's go to next step. Condos. Condominium has association, and each association has different rules, and you need to be understanding those rules. If you're looking for business to make short-term rental 30 days minimum, so you need to buy condo which has 12 times per year rental period. So you can rent 30 days and more, but up to 12 times. So you can change your guest 12 times, 30, 30, 30, 30. You can rent for 90 days, you can rent for 120 days, but less is 30 days, and you have to go with approval of your guest. So up to 30 days is simple. If it's more than 30 days, they have to apply with a screening, which is good for you. So you will know who is coming to your stay, because after 30 days, people going to be resident of your premises. So next step, condos which has different restrictions, 6 months minimum. So you can rent twice per year. Every 180 days, you can rent your place. It means you can rent for 5 months, but association will not allow you to make sooner future rent, so you need to stay another month to be vacant, or you're gonna come yourself and to make another lease. Some associations have 1 year lease minimum, 365 days. It means you can rent only for 1 year lease to one tenant. But what's happening if your tenant left after 7 months? Guys, if its rule says 365 days 1 time per year, you're going to be vacant another 5 months. This is minus of those kind of investment, because if your tenant breach your lease after 7-8 months, so you're going to be vacant up to all period of 12 months will ends up. This is rules, you have to accept it. In another case, you have condos which have no rental first year, no rental 2 years. So you have to be owner of this condo 1 year or like 2 years, and after you can rent it. But most of those condos, they don't like investors. So don't buy this type of real estate if you're looking for investment. There is plenty of property which doesn't have those rules. But if you want to be specific building, and you know you want for your retirement, and you want to make a renovation which will take you like 3, 4, 5 months, and after you want to rent it, probably you can buy it. But sometimes you can buy with a tenant. So tenant leave, if he leave your apartment within 5 or 6 months of your ownership, so anyway you cannot rent 1 year, so you need to wait 5 months and you can rent it out. This is kind of rules which is, you know, and sometimes condos no rental at all. This is only if you want to self-use, self-living or vacation, but you cannot rent it at any time, not today, not tomorrow, not after 10 years. And regarding single-family houses existing in association and without association. So it's totally different product, and you need to understand, if you're looking for full freedom, you want to rent daily, you want to put your boat on the front of your house or in the backyard of your house, you want to put RV, whatever you want, but you need to buy single family house without HOA. And again, you have to check if this specific city allowed boat or RV. Some cities, they're not allowed, so you're not depend from the association now, you depend from the city. Some city allowed short-term rentals, some city not. So before you purchase, you have inspection period, you have to check it. Otherwise, you're gonna have problems. Illegal short-term rental will huge fines. So when you're planning to make short-term rental, you have to get city license. It's not complicated, but you have to get city license. So an association, if you're purchasing house in association, guys, you have to respect the rules. So from other side, if you have some ideas, so you don't want the neighbors will disturb you, with the repairing motorcycles, repair your boat, and you're painting it, and you want to have more enjoyment. This is association, because they're trying to keep some rules for everyone, not just you. And sometimes it's pluses for your stay if you self-use and you want to obey the rules of the association. And sometimes it has community pools, clubhouses. Guys, again, you need to understand from beginning what you're looking for: to make money, to have freedom, to have association, not to have association. You want to buy investment, strictly investment, or you want half self-use, half investment. So guys, feel free to text me, to call me, or to make comments under my video, and we'll glad to respond to you. Guys, Boris Gelfand, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.